Welcome back to another video with Cherokee Challenge. This week we will learn Alihelisti Danista Yohiha. Merry Christmas. Welcome to Cherokee Challenge. This is the syllable for ah. Now think of a person saying ah. Ah. This is the syllable for li. The girl has short sleeves. Li. This is the syllable for he. We need to bail hey. He. This is the syllable for s. I see you. S. This is the syllable for D. The diva is dancing and singing. D. This is the syllable for yo. As in Yola is playing with a yo-yo. Yo. This is the syllable for he. As in an old man with bad heels. He. Now this is the syllable for huh. As in a pug that wants a hug. Huh. This is a syllable for ni. Now think of a man with a hurt knee. Ni. This is the syllable for da. As in a dog bone. Da. Now that we have reviewed the syllables, pause the video and try reading this on your own. Alihelisti danista yohiha. Now you know how to say Merry Christmas. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel. And Alihelisti danista yohiha. Merry Christmas.